Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson polynomials. Now coming to the different types of examples. First, division of a monomial by a monomial. Example 1, divide 18x to the power 5 by minus 3x to the power 3. So first write in this division form. Now you will be dividing numbers. Okay, you write it separate and then the variable. So separate the constant and the variable. Now 3 ones are 3 6 are. So you got minus, isn't it? Minus 6. Then here x to the power 5 minus 3. Remember the rule? The laws, isn't it? Whenever it is division, the powers are, the bases are same, then you have to subtract the powers. So it becomes x square minus 6 to the power minus 6x to the power 2. Okay. Now coming to the second sum, minus 12y cube divided by 4y square. Okay. Minus 12 upon 4 multiplied by y cube upon y square. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So you got minus 3. Now y to the power 3 minus 2. Minus 3 y to the power 1, that is minus 3 y. Now second type is division of a polynomial by a monomial. This was a monomial by a monomial. Now we are dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So divide first is the division method. So write the question and divide. Now next step is 6x to the power 4 upon 2x. Each individually you have to divide. Minus 8x cube upon 2x plus 10x squared upon 2x plus 12x upon 2x. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 threes. So you got 3. Now x to the power 4 minus 1 means 3. Now you have to do directly. Okay. Minus, sign is minus. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Write 4. X 3 minus 1, that is 2. Sign is plus. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Write 5. X 2 minus 1 is 1. So no need of writing. Plus 2 ones are 2 6 are. Write 6. X and x also gets cancelled. So answer is this one. 3x cube minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now coming to the factor method. In the factor method, the question 5y cube plus 8y squared minus 6y divided by 4y. So we will write 4y cube plus 8y squared minus 6y upon 4y. So in the denominator it is 4y. So take 4y common. Okay. Now how much is remaining? इधर 4y क्यूब में 4y को बाहर लिया तो बचा 4 square. 4 taken out. Y, 1 y is taken, so 2 y's will be there. Now 4 how much za 8? 2 za. Okay. Now y squared. In that one y is taken out. So you will be left with y. Now 4 sign is minus. Okay. Now 6. Out of 6 we have taken 4 out. Okay. So 6 by 4. That means how much will be remaining? 2 2s are 2 3s are. Understood? If you take 4 outside from 6, you will be getting 3 by 2. And why? Everything it is taken out. Full y is taken out. थोड़ा इधर ध्यान रखने का. When you take 4 outside from 6, how much is remaining? 6 divided by 4, cancel. 2 2s are 2 3s are, that is 3 by 2. और अभी आया डिनोमिनेटर में 4y. This 4y gets cancelled. So that is why the final answer will be y square plus 2y minus 3 by 2. So whenever there is a common factor, then take it out. Whatever in the denominator, that much you take it out and write and then cancel it. Okay, this was the factor method. The factor method other type also you will see in the worksheets. Okay, now coming to the third method, that is the long division method. Now example 4, divide minus 4x squared plus 6x cube minus 13 minus 5x by 2x. Okay, now you see this, right? Minus 4x squared plus 6x cube minus 13 minus 5x divided by 2x. Now see, is it in the standard form? No. So first of all, you have to convert into the standard form. So first you have to write 6x cube minus 4x squared minus 5x minus 13 divided by 2x. Okay. फिर लॉन्ग डिविजन का ऐसे सिंबल डालकर ऐसे करो ना. 2 how much 6. Please understand it properly. Slow and steady wins the race, isn't it? So slowly you have to do. 2 how much 6. 2 3s are 6. Now x how much x cube. So x into how much is x cube? X into x squared is x cube, isn't it? तो अभी इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 3s are 6. X into x squared x cube. Okay. Now डिवीजन में याद है ना, जो भी इधर मिलता है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का. अभी सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के वक्त तो साइन चेंज करना पड़ता है. तो इधर पहले पॉजिटिव था, अभी नेगेटिव. साइन चेंज करो, पुट इट इन द ब्रैकेट. नाउ दिस प्लस एंड माइनस गेट्स कैंसल्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? राइट इट डाउन. minus 4x squared minus 5x minus 13. सब कुछ नीचे लेकर आओ. Now it is plus, here minus. So it should be minus. Different signs means minus. 2 how much 4? 2 2s are 4. Now x how much x squared? X into x is x squared, isn't it? So minus plus minus, 2 2s are 4, x into x, x squared. Now the second one, you have to change the sign. Now minus and this is now plus, gets cancelled. Now what is remaining? It is minus 5x minus 13. Now here it is plus, here it is minus. Minus. Now 2 how much are 5? 2 how much are 5? 2 into how much is 5? 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Answer is 5. 2 into how much is 5? 2 into 5 by 2. तो इधर एग्जैक्ट नहीं है तो दिस नंबर डिवाइड बाय दिस 2 into 5 by 2. See 2 into 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. The answer is 5. So when you multiply, it is x and x. It is same. So minus plus minus 5 into 2 is 5. Here nothing is there into x. And now it is a minus. Okay, it is not there. This one number is not there directly. Okay, this becomes plus. Now this gets cancelled. Now minus 13. Now it is a quotient. Quotient how much you got? ऊपर जो आया, that is the quotient. 3x squared minus 2x minus 5 by 2. A remainder, whatever remain, that is the remainder, that is minus 13. Sometimes you get it 0, otherwise it will be, you will get the remainder. Is it clear? Not so tough, but you should be careful. So first sign, then number, then alphabet. So ordinary division, but whenever there is a fraction and all, you should be careful. Okay? Okay then, bye. Thank you.